You plugged in a USB and boom! Malware launches before you even open a file. Autorun is a silent threat hiding in plain sight. In today's video, I'll show you how to disable it completely in Windows 11 and stop USB-based attack. If you are new to the channel, please consider supporting the channel by clicking on the subscribe button and liking the video. Now let's get started. So to disable Autorun in Windows 11, we are going to use two approaches, okay? The registry and control panel approach. So you can't afford to miss any of the steps. So to open the registry, I'm going to click on the search. I already have it in my recent. If you don't have it in your recent, at the search, you type regedit.msc, okay? And then we run the registry with admin privilege. So I'm going to click on run as administrator. Then I'll click on yes to allow these apps to make changes, okay? So at the registry, we are going to expand HKey local machine, and then we expand software. So at the software, we are going to expand Microsoft, okay? So at the Microsoft, we are going to scroll down and then we expand Windows. So at the Windows, we are going to expand current version. So at the current version, we are going to scroll down to policies, okay? And then we expand policies. So at the policies, we are going to click on Explorer. So at the right pane, we are going to right click and then we go to new and then the word 32-bit value, okay? So we are going to enter the value, no drive type Autorun, okay? So now we are going to change the value data. So I'm going to double click on that and then I'm going to change it to FF, okay? So this value is going to disable the Autorun entirely, okay, in Windows 11. Then I'll click on OK. So after you've done that, you can close the registry and then you do a restart of the PC for the changes to take effect, okay? Now we are going to use the control panel approach and then we see how that one too works, okay? So with that one, I'm going to click on the search, then I'll click on control panel, then I'll click on Autorun. So here I've already checked the autoplay for all media files. So by default, the autoplay for all media files is checked, okay? So you have to uncheck it and then you click on save, okay? But you have to take note of one thing. This only disables autoplay prompt, not full Autorun execution, okay? So it's less secure, okay? So this brings us to the end of the tutorial. Please, if you find value in this video, please support the channel by clicking on the subscribe button and liking the video. Thank you for watching and see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye for now.